Welcome to the zoo.
Welcome to the zoo. Hey, who wants a bite? No. Come on.
These guys are almost basically weaned.
So see, it may actually be feasible to have no feedings tomorrow. Because I gotta force it on them. What are you doing, huh? Is it good? Want some more? Another bite? Good. Good stuff. Isn't that good, huh? Okay. How about you? One bite for you? You go over here. You want a bite? You want a bite? Where's the bite down? How about you?
You're going to slide off. Just checking out his dishes.
Okay. Solomon, do you want a bite at all? Okay, come here. How about one bite? There you go.
Come on, sweetie. Up. Up. That's a good girl. You're so smart. You're so smart. Down. That's a good girl.
That's about it. I should have made so much food.
Yeah, you gotta have it there.
Yeah. Wait a minute. You're a mess. Come here.
Get over there. Up. Up. That's a good girl.
Yeah. What a mess.
That's a good girl.
What a mess. I guess they're really not interested.
What a pretty baby. Yes, what a pretty baby.
That's about it. That was a waste. That was a waste, huh? Yeah. That was a big waste.
What's the matter? That was called an earthquake. Just a little earthquake.
From who? Echo?
Yeah.
You feeling your oats? Huh? You feeling your oats?
It doesn't take much though. Just a little.
Oh, we got.
A little bit of a shake. Changes their minds.
He's a girl, huh? Yeah. He's a girl.
You're a pretty baby. Here you go. Down. Down. That's a good girl.
Now you want a bite? Good.
For a minute.
Yeah.
You like that sneaker?
That's it, huh? Need to have another paper towel.
By Stock and Bounty.
In what?
Bounty.
Oh. That's for sure. You want to come up and see Mom? Come here, little pumpkin. Oh, you're a good baby. You're a good baby, huh? Yeah, you're a good baby. Yeah, what a good girl. What a good girl you are, huh? You mush your face? Oh. Yeah, you can have a bite. That's good, huh? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good baby. Yeah, you are. You're a very good girl. Yeah, you are. Want to go get a toy? Huh? Here, come on. Get a toy. Yeah. How about this?
Check it out. Yeah.
Oh, Solomon grabbed it. I think that's Solomon. So hard to tell Solomon and Missy apart. Hey, don't eat my glasses.
I see you.
Where are you going? Come on back. Here, stay back here. Alright, this is Missy. There. Oh, what a good girl you are, huh?
checking everything out.
Yeah, what a good girl. Oh, look how cute she is.
Yeah, she's a sweetie.
Oh, a nice baby. What a nice girl you are.
They're all sweethearts. They all like that, which is nice.
These are the nicest kids we've had.
Yeah, I think your extra attention has made a big difference.
Yeah.
You know, your extra holding time.
Extra sweet.
Yeah.
Extra sweet girls and boys. Coochie coochie. Don't look at me that way. What a look, I know.
You pervert.
Oh, look at her sweet face. Look at that sweetie. Missy, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Hey, you want to go play? Solomon, I goosed ya. Mama goosed you. Up. Up. That's a good boy. You're a big boy. You are a big boy. She's all over me. Yes. You're a big boy. Oh, it's okay. I know. You're a big boy, huh? You're a big baby. Yeah. How you doing, huh? Oh, what a big boy. Yeah. That's my baby, huh? Want to get down, go play? Here you go. You want another bite? You want another bite? Be happy to give you another bite. How about you? You want another bite? Here, come here. Let's have another bite.
Monkey see.
Yeah, I'd love to get a little bit of extra into them, you know? You want a bite too? Good. Good girl. I know you're wearing more of it than eating it, but I don't care. That's it. Oh well, it was good while it lasted. Yeah, let's wipe your face up. I know. There we go. Okay, you're clean. Okay, everywhere. Okay.
No interest.
Who else needs cleaning? Over here. Where are you going? Okay, and you.
Slow.
Okay, let's get all of this out of the way here before you step in it.
She's a digging.
Huh. Geesh, seems particularly sloppy tonight.
Tight.
Tonight. Up. Hang on.
How old are they now?
84 weeks is
Not
Solomon.
84 days.
I mean 84 days. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Come here. Come here. It's okay. And the youngest, Missy, is 78 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're just babies still.
And they've not really gone through their biting stage either.
Not like usual.
No. It's really good.
Yeah. But they're nice babies. They're very nice babies. Okay. Big toy. Big toy. Go. Get this one. Another big toy. Do you want another bite? Every time I get you clean, you want another bite. You notice that?
Mm-hmm. Like a kid, every time you put on clean clothes, you want to go out and stomp in the mud.
Good, huh? Another bite? mess them up, huh? You're not getting away without getting cleaned up again. There we go. Okay? Who's got the sneaker? Isn't that Angelou? Yeah, I see you. Love you too, Griff. What are they doing, huh? Maybe Griffy.
It kind of disproves the myth that Timnas don't talk good, huh?
Yeah. Big toy. What's that? I like that damn sneaker, don't they?
Yeah, they sure do.